So, before we start installing Maven to our project, why is it required to install Maven? Maven is an open source build automation project which allows external libraries to communicate with our Java program through Eclipse. So now let's see how to install Maven to Mac. So first of all, we'll go to the browser, we'll search for download Maven. So under this, the first link from Apache will go inside. Here you can see the first link for binary TAR file, which is for Mac as we are using Mac M1. So we'll be downloading this one. As the download has been completed, you can see one zip file has been downloaded to downloads folder. We'll unzip this one. So after unzipping, we can see several folders inside, including bin as well. If we'll open the bin folder, you can see Maven, Maven debug, several files related to Maven will be there. Then we'll open the terminal. So in the terminal, we'll open the zshrc file, which already has been explained in the first episode. I will add the link below. You can go through that video as well. So in this zshrc file, you can see both the paths for Java Home and bin path also has been set, which we have done for JDK installation for Mac, which has been already explained in the first video. So we'll copy both of their paths. Okay. So in the Java Home path, you can see we have given the path for JDK. But here as we are going to give the path for Maven, so we'll go to the info of bin folder and we'll copy the path. Okay. Let's paste the path to Maven path. So by which the Maven path will be set to zshrc file. Now after the Maven path is set, we have to give the path for bin folder. Now to give the path for bin folder, we will be writing path : Maven underscore home, the path which we have set above, /bin, which will directly navigate to the path under Apache Maven 3.9.9. Now to check, again we'll open .zshrc to see whether it has been saved or not. Great, we can see the path has been set. Now as the path has been set, we have to check whether it is echoing to that respective Maven or not. Now again, let's go back to terminal. Now let's create a new session of terminal to get it refreshed properly. Now in this terminal, we'll make it clear. Now in this terminal, we'll be typing echo Maven home, the variable what we set in the zshrc file. Now as we can see, the path is showing up, which is under the downloads, which we have downloaded. Now the setup is done for environment variable with Maven. Now we will configure the Eclipse with the same environment variable what we have set with Maven. So to set that one, we will go back to Eclipse. So under Eclipse, we'll go to the settings. We'll search for installations. Under installations, workspace and embedded version of Maven is showing up. As we have downloaded custom one, we will go and click on add, by which we can add the custom Maven whatever we have downloaded. From there, we will be choosing the folder. After giving the folder location, we'll give some installation name. I will keep it as bin. We'll choose that one. Now I will change that embedded to the bin one. Now our Eclipse setup is done with new Maven. We are good to start creating a Maven project under Eclipse. Thanks for watching.